You can't continue to look for the old relationship. All relationships have to evolve. They have to change. And if you've gone through something monumental where you've really lost face, there's no way you're going back, and you shouldn't look for that. You need to look forward to a new you and a new relationship. Hey guys, you're watching this video because your wife doesn't respect you and you're not sure what to do. Now, there's probably layers and layers to this. And so what I'm about to get into will be some broad strokes. The biggest complaint I hear with men is they go, why can't she just get over it? And bro, man, nervous systems are different. Just think about arousal, right? Your nervous system is, I'm ready. And her nervous system is, give me some time. Now imagine that buried down deep under layers of the chaos she grew up in, under layers of the harm that she may have experienced as a kid, which 4 out of 5 women have experienced unwanted sexual contact growing up. And it's not fast. It's a slow process. So you just saying, I'm sorry, and moving on, dude, isn't enough. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take more time than feels comfortable. So what do you do? What do you do? If you've been listening to this, I've been giving you clues. And the first big clue is that you have to learn how to lead yourself. How do you do that? The easiest thing to do is to learn how to keep promises to yourself. Those should be non-negotiable. If you say you're going to lose weight, then you just need to do it. And I get it, bro. I'm like probably 5-6 pounds overweight right now. And I'm also like, there's a part of me that's, I need to do it. But I'm also like, actually, it's not that big of a priority for me. But I've lost 40 pounds before. So I know what that's like. I know what it's like to need to quit something like alcohol. I've been sober for 11 years. That was a lot of effort, discipline, and I needed help. So you have to look at the things in your life that were difficult, that were hard, it's costing you something. It's costing you your quality of life. More than that, it's costing you your integrity with yourself. That's the only gold we really have, is our integrity with ourselves. Lots of us find it easier to fulfill a promise to somebody else and not to ourselves. And dude, at the core of that is just a person who is lying, because the only reason you're doing that is so that you are liked. It's manipulation. If you don't believe me and you're pissed off at this, man, just think about it for a while. Just truly think about it for a while. If you really want to dig deep, then go read my mentor's book, No More Mr. Nice Guy by Dr. Robert Glover. I'm one of his certified coaches. He calls these covert contracts, things that we do in order to keep people liking us and loving us so that we can avoid the fear of abandonment. It is serious stuff. So start with keeping a promise to yourself, living a life that you are proud of. Now, I think there's a cheat code to this, a way that you can, I don't want to say do it faster, but certainly do it easier. And that is for you to be among men. There is not a faster way or a better way for you to start to achieve your goals, for you to be proud of yourself, than for you to be a man among men. Men only become men around other men. The Bible says as iron sharpens iron, so one man does with another. And to be honest about what you're going through, and then to be honest about what you're wanting to achieve, and to get accountability in your life. When you start to be among men and tell them what you're trying to achieve, you just start to show up better. When you get them to look over your shoulder and say, hey, can you give me some advice on this? You start to get better at it. When you do something shoulder to shoulder with men, building a business, getting in shape, you find that there's more energy. And if you're successful in business, you know what I'm talking about. If you've ever been on a team, a sports team, you know what I'm talking about. It's the same with relationship. You need to tell men what you're going through in your relationship. Now, I could keep talking on this for a long time. Thanks for watching all this. If you need help, there's a free resource down below, a proven 3-step process on how to start to do this in your life so that your wife will respect you. Again, man, it all starts with you loving and respecting yourself, by keeping promises to yourself. Go click the link below, sign up for that free PDF. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this, you probably didn't, but if you found it valuable, then share it with somebody and leave a comment. If you disagree with me, I'd love to hear why you disagree with me. All right, guys, thanks for hanging around. Keep coming back. There is more in your life. If you're facing your wife's continuous disrespect, that is a call from the universe to step up. All you can change is you. And when you change you, you become a respectful person. When you keep your promises to yourself, you become a respectful human being. And when you do that, it's easy for her to be turned on by you, to want to be led by you, and to want to follow you. All right, guys, take care. Keep coming back. You can subscribe, hit that ding button, all those things. Talk soon.